Trying to make up some bullshit excuse. Yo, what side do you want? Oh, enough said. Jufro. What side do you want, random? Give me a side. You have 2 minutes before you guys forfeit for not picking a side. It's almost been 5 minutes. Alright, just letting you know now. Okay. You like talking to your mommy? No, they don't like picking sides. You're gonna try to pretend that we didn't start the game. It's alright, I've been capping. Everything goes in a place like this. Yes, say that everything goes in. Yo, Jufro. What side do you want? Side. What side do you want? What side? What side? What side? Pick a side. Up, down.
I said don't start it. Fucking shit.
You're such a random! You can't start the game until they pick a side! It's a false start! Shut the... Who said start it? Oh, then they have us muted. They have us muted! Shut up, bro! They have me and you muted. They have him unmuted, okay? They're allowed to do that.
They started it.